smooth. Obviously, we're anticipating little things happening, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm super excited. I'm happy. I gotta move the cars out of the driveway because today we are getting on the phone with Ryan to hopefully everything goes smooth. Obviously, we're anticipating little things happening, but drive my car and start working on drivability. What the hell is this? For my car. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I did recently pick up an Insta360 Go. This little guy here, because I didn't like how the GoPro sat in front of my face, but with this bad boy, it's super tiny. I can see everything, so I'm super happy about that. So we'll be going POV today, but I'm gonna take you guys along the process of getting this car set up and ready to drive and driving. And so, hopping right into it. I've already disconnected my coil packs because Ryan said we're gonna update a whole bunch of stuff. So coil packs have been disconnected per Ryan. I've got the old dinosaur laptop in the car. It's been charging forever. So I've got everything set up, ready to go. Ryan's in the middle of a tuning session right now. So what I'm doing, just getting everything ready. I'm gonna move the cars and hopefully we'll be able to do some things today. Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna go through this tune, and as far as like engine response and like drivability and stuff, that's all the stuff that's really changed in the last 2 to 3 months.
Yeah.
Kind of thrown all that away.
Okay.
Started fresh, and I do that every couple months. And so considering what you have on here now, that's where it's going to be a lot better.
All right, so I will key off.
Yep.
Oh God, what's the computer doing now? Oh, this is probably the download that you opened up 5 minutes ago. Yeah. So, all right, maybe I won't key off.
No, you should still key off.
Oh, okay.
Well, actually.
Yeah, like.
Matrix.
So basically what Ryan is doing, he's going through creating tables, changing safeties and whatnot for my car. You know, it's just more or less just like he's making sure everything is like set properly. So he goes through, he adjusts his tables, he adjusts his table to what he thinks, and as we're driving and we're moving around, he'll adjust it on the fly. And so, you know, I'll have tidbits in here. It'll probably be hard to hear him, but this will give you guys an idea of what he's doing as he's flying through the matrix on this. Stuff I don't feel comfortable adjusting.
I like the feel of it. All right, we're good to go. So now we can start it up.
Okay. I'm starting here.
Oh yeah, that's way off. You need a lot more fuel, I can guess.
So we'll do this a few times, and, you know, not a few times, but, you know, he's going to lock it in and get it right. So, yeah, so that's kind of what we're doing right now. I still have the laptop connected. Oh no, we don't have a laptop charger anymore. It's okay. It's okay. Yep, we don't have a laptop charger anymore. Oh shit, I just stalled. And that I'm saying, I think the next thing to do would be to get it down, like get the rest of the exhaust will. So good. Yeah, like, oh my god, I cannot believe I'm driving my car. Holy shit. This car! Oh my god. Alright, well, I'll clutch it. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit, dude. Yeah. Yes, it feels smooth. Oh Holy shit. I blew this car up. I wired this car up. Will did the fabrication, and Kevin didn't let me. Well, he would let me mess things up because Kevin wanted me to learn on how to do things myself. So for that, I'm appreciative of Kevin. For Will, I am appreciative of Will for taking the time that he has spent to help me put this car together with all the fabrication and all the work that he's done. I wouldn't change anything about it. I wouldn't change anything about the times that I'm sitting there. It's late as hell and Kevin's still at the shop with me. I'm asking Kevin some dumbass question after he's told me 4 or 5 times how to do something because I couldn't figure it out. And I'm appreciative of that. I'm appreciative of Ramos for just pushing me to want to be better, honestly. I'm appreciative of Chase for sitting there helping me wire something up when, again, maybe I didn't know how to. I am appreciative of Skeeter for making this sick oil pan, teaching me how to MIG weld along with Will, helping me make this water pump bracket. I'm super appreciative of everyone that has helped me and helped me grow as someone who is building their dream car. So that's pretty sick, but it fucking drove. I don't know what else to say. I remember blowing this car up on the road after I turboed it, and then here we are. But I think this is where I'm going to call this video. If you're not a part of the channel, hit the subscribe button because we're not done. We still have a lot more to go, still have a lot of things to do, but huge accomplishment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.